Greetings from Grills Badplaats out on Värmdö. And I am now all alone on this beautiful sandy beach. And I wonder why, because it is 20 degrees Celsius in the air and I have just measured it is 22 degrees Celsius in the sea. Yes, this is the Baltic Sea, but obviously it's warmer because it's a bit of closed bay over here. And this is a smaller beach that competes with the more famous Grisslinge Havsbad that's just 300 meters away from here in that direction, that I have visited last week. But today I'm exploring this beach that I have actually visited last year, and it was a hot summer day last year. I was cycling all the way here. It was around 30 kilometers to get here with my bicycle one way. But today I came with the public transport as I have a monthly card, and I'm exploring the longer beaches on the sea from my home. So quite a nice Monday on this 15th of July. We have mostly clouds in the sky, but there is some sun here and there. So the beach has even a small playground and few tables to sit on. And right now we have wind from the that's coming from the sea. And yeah, let's not wait any longer, as it will be like this the rest of the day. I don't think there will be any more sun than this right now, but it's still very nice and great to explore. And Värmdö has so many beautiful beaches, and all of them are accessible by bus ride from Slussen. So to get to this spot you need to take one of the many buses that goes from Slussen out to Värmdö, and then stop at the station that's called Stigen, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, the one after Grisslinge. And it's around 25 minutes bus ride from Slussen. So yes, here we have the entry. It's super sandy with some few tiny rocks here and there, but otherwise it is firm sand to step on, and it's quite nice. And I do remember from last year that it gets very fast deep. Let's see if that was the case, if I remember correctly, because I have been to many different beaches, so sometimes they are a bit the same. So but yeah, it's so nice that it's 22 degrees Celsius in the water. In Grisslinge last week it was 19 degrees Celsius, so the sea got a bit warmer, even though there weren't much warm days as this past week, to be fair. But yeah, beach adventures with Chris. I continue with my beach adventures and exploring different beaches in Stockholm region. Today is beach number 94 on my Sweden beach adventures. And I was right, here it starts to get very deep. They have also put like a lane with bows here to denote the depth. So we're gonna go beneath it and out in the unknown. So time for a swim in the Baltic Sea at Grills Badplaats. Let's go! Yes, it is deep. Confirmed. Confirmed. Quite nice indeed. So here, despite being so close to the main road, I don't hear the cars so much as I have heard them from Grisslinge Havsbad. So if you want a bit more quiet place, then Grills Badplaats is that one for sure. Oh my god. So 15th of July means that we are in the middle of the summer. If we consider summer June 1st to August 31st. So we are halfway through, but I really hope that even September and October will give us some nice weather for my beach adventures. despite the day being quite shorter compared to this summer. So yeah, take a look around. I'm now in the deep waters. Here there is also like a smaller port, I guess, for the people that live nearby and own a boat, like many people do in Sweden. Though not me, but maybe in the future. Why not? Then I can explore all the magnificent islands in the archipelago of Stockholm and Sweden. More than 200,000 islands in Sweden. It's amazing. Cool. Let's then wrap up from Grills Bad Plots for today, this 15th of July, and vision number 94. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. And I'm gonna be swimming a bit more as it is 22 degrees in the sea. It's so amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!